Oh my goodness. Look at this, perfect. That's what I was looking for, bubbly all over. Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest roast pork you ever tasted. First I have a nice slab of belly pork, equal amounts of fat and meat. So put the skin side up and I take an ice pick and I'm going to prick it all over as much as I can. This is to let out the fat as it bakes. So just keep on doing this until you have it full of holes and you can barely see it, okay? Now I have 2 teaspoons of coarse salt. I'm going to sprinkle it all over. And I'm just going to rub it in real good. Only the skin now. So that's what you want to be crispy. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, 2 tablespoons of Szechuan peppercorns. Now I just cover it, press it down and grind it. It only takes seconds. And there you have it. That's the powder mixture for the roast pork. So I'm going to dry the flesh side of the pork. I've already dried the skin side. Now I'm going to cut it in about, inch and a half pieces. Now I'm going to put some of the mixture all over the meat. And you don't have to use it all because it's a lot. You can save it for a later time. Now I'm going to rub it all over and in between the cracks. And only the flesh, not the skin. Rub it on the sides too. Now I have a pan here that I've lined with foil, and then I put a cake wrap on it so that the meat will not stick to the foil. Okay, so I'm going to lift this up carefully, and I'm going to flip it over. And skin side up. Now I've preheated the oven to 350. Now I'm going to put this in there for an hour and a half. The pork has been cooking for an hour and a half, and you see all the oil on the skin? Now I have to blot it up. Now I'm putting it in the broiler for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's all bubbly. It's been 8 minutes and you see how it's bubbling, but it still can bubble some more. So I'm going to put it back probably for another 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Perfect. That's what I was looking for. Bubbly all over. Look at it. It's better even than the stores. It's very sad. Because now you have to wait about 30 minutes before I can even cut it. Otherwise, all the juices will run out and it'll fall apart. So, see you in 30 minutes. Now it's ready to cut. And this is what the back side looks like. And I want you to see how crunchy it is. Hear it? Really nice. I tell you, when you go to the store, it's not this crispy, guaranteed. Okay, so to make it easier, we already had the cuts. See it? So I'm using the Chinese cleaver because it's easier to cut. If I use a smaller knife, I would have a hard time. Okay, now you can cut it in. You can eat a piece like this if you like, but wow, that's really good. But I'm going to cut it. And of course, the skin will not be crispy tomorrow because it'll be soft. So if you want it to be crispy again, just put it under the broiler a few minutes and it'll crisp right up. Now, Some people don't want to go through all the trouble, but I don't mind doing it. I have a daughter who says, I'll never make it. It's just too much work. I'll just wait when you make it. And guys, you can make this, and you saw how easy it was. Just follow my directions. I didn't do anything different off camera. So you can make it, and one day you'll be the star, and you'll be teaching other people how to make it. And everybody will be clamoring to say, how do you make this? And you will say, I'll show you. It's very easy. The hardest part about this recipe is waiting 30 minutes before you can eat it. But boy, you'll really enjoy it. One way to tell if it's a good recipe is if it's crispy. Let's see. It is crispy. Hear the crunch? Really good. If you like this crispy roast pork video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't, because it helps our channel to grow. So see you on the next video. Aloha.